Hey guys, it's Melissa here with ShirtSpace. Here today to show you how to add an in-store credit or promo code to your order. First thing you're going to want to do is head to ShirtSpace.com and shop around. Once you have all the items added to your cart that you'd like to purchase, hover over the cart and click Proceed to Secure Checkout. Once here, you will need to add in your zip code if it's requested from you. After adding in your zip code, please select your desired shipping option. Scrolling down below the shipping options, you will see a promo code field. Please add or paste your in-store credit or promo code here and click Apply. Our website will let you know once it's been applied. Now you are ready to check out. Thank you guys so much for stopping by to learn how to add an in-store credit or promo code to your order. If you want more helpful videos like this, click that subscribe button and have a great rest of your day.